Good morning, y'all. We're outside Ozark Iron Gym about to crush some legs. We're doing 2 leg days a week right now. Today's gonna be more of a quad focus, and either Saturday or Sunday is gonna be more of a hamstring focus. So let's kill it. Alright, y'all, so since we're trying to focus on our quads, we're doing leg press here. When I want to work my hamstrings, I'll do a high and wide foot placement. When I'm working my quads, I'll do it much closer and like central pad to even a little bit lower, like so. Alright, y'all, time for another tip. We're doing front squats. There's a couple different variations for this. Front squats is really going to work the teardrop, part of the quadricep, so I really like it for targeting that. Some people hold the bar like this, kind of like a reverse hook grip. I personally don't like that. I like to roll one side of my shoulder in, grab the bar, then the other side, and then kind of cross my arms like so. In fact, that locks me in much more on the deltoids. It kind of hurts, takes a little bit of getting used to it, the weight sitting right there, but I don't know, it's really going to target everything. It's kind of a different perspective on where the weight load is in regard to your spinal column, so it takes a little getting used to there, but it really targets the quad. So let me demonstrate one of those. Alright, y'all, leg workout in the books. Chris and I are both dripping wet with sweat. We're at the post office right now, see if we have any packages. A lot going on today, a couple of events, 3 podcasts. We got a lot of stuff going on, so you just hang tight. Alright, y'all, we got 2 packages today. One from Alterna Sweets. I'm pretty sure this is barbecue, so I'm excited to open this up. And then we have one from Omega Power Creamer. So this is coffee creamer, and it's gonna add a little oomph to our coffee. So excited to open this one up as well. Let's do it. Alright, what we got? We have grass-fed ghee creamer, 120 calories, 14 grams of fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein. Ingredients: grass-fed ghee, milk cultures, organic virgin coconut oil, medium-chain triglycerides, and sunflower lectin. And the same thing for grass-fed ghee. What's the difference here? With stevia and sugar-free. So, pretty cool. Should have brought my knife. Now I know what it's like when y'all try to open up keto bricks. Man! Y'all win the award for most well-packaged. This is not gonna break at all. Alright, so we have classic tomato ketchup. We have original barbecue sauce. And we have spicy tomato ketchup. Boom, check it out. Thank y'all, Alterna Sweets and Omega Power Creamer. Alright, y'all, I know I'm trying to cut sweeteners, and I pretty much have, but I went ahead and used the vanilla flavored with stevia Omega coffee creamer. We'll see how it tastes. It's pretty good, actually. I do really like how convenient those things are. Like, you don't have to keep it refrigerated or anything. You just squirt some in and call it good. Thank you, Omega coffee creamer. I like it. Alright, y'all, so we're going on a date right now. Taking Chris on a date. I was driving around town and I saw this sign for this event from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock tonight, and the title of it was VanLife. So we just on a whim decided to go to that. So we're gonna go downtown and go to this VanLife thing. We'll see what we see. We're here?
We're here.
I learned about vans.
All about it.
There's one out there right now. Alright, y'all, we just left the VanLife speech. What'd you think?
It was really good.
Really good?
Very informative of just like everyday people.
Yes, very interesting information. We got some plans for this van, y'all. You just stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we're taking a little detour to Whole Foods so Crystal can pick up yogurt. She's an addict, y'all. We've been eating so much Kite Hill yogurt like we're addicted.
But soon I'll be making my own. I just have to get the bacteria.
Soon. You get your yogurt?
Yep.
You happy? What's up, y'all? We're nearing the end of the day. I've got 15 grams of protein left to hit and about 30 grams of fat left for the macros. I'm gonna have the yogurts, but I don't know what else I'm gonna factor in, so let's see what I can come up with. Alright, y'all, so I went with 3 eggs and a tablespoon of this duck fats. This stuff tastes amazing. I literally don't even cook with it. I just put it on top because it tasted that good. I've got my Kite Hill yogurt with 2 pieces of Montezuma 100% dark chocolate, which means my macros are dead on the money, y'all. I guess I'm 2 over on protein, but other than that, on the money. So, good stuff. Alright, y'all, real quick, while I'm eating my yogurt, we wanted to make a little statement about yesterday's video, which was her kind of talking about the biopsy results and whatnot. We got a ton of great feedback, so much support. Everybody's happy to hear that's not Crohn's, so
thank you so much for your support.
For all that. We just wanted to kind of like illustrate that we are not anti-medication and anti-doctors. I didn't want it to come across like that at all.
Yeah, so I've been actually dealing with this for many years. So I've gone through doctor after doctor after doctor, and I can pretty much tell when someone is interested in trying to help me figure out the root cause. Also, a lot of the medications he is trying to put me on is something that I've been put on in the past and has not worked for me, or has worse side effects then it would be better to fix me, if that makes any sense. And you know, there's certain things that don't typically work for me that might work for someone else when it comes to like constipation, that kind of thing. I've taken a lot of medication in the past and I've been put on a ton of stuff. So I'm really just trying to do this like the most natural way I possibly can. I definitely think that there is times of need for medication, but I personally know that I can deal with the pain, the discomfort, that kind of thing until I find a natural remedy or food that will work for me personally. But I'm not against medication. I think that there's definitely a place for that in the medical field. Yeah, definitely wanted to illustrate that point because yeah, we're not trying to bash doctors or anything like that, but anyways. Yeah, no. And doctor, I mean, honestly, I wouldn't be where I am if I didn't have at least the one good doctor that finally convinced me to do another test, and I found out a lot of stuff. It's just that, you know, now I'm looking for more, and I've had to find a different doctor because we moved states. And it's just trial and error, finding the right one that's for you. Like, the man that I saw, he may be perfect for someone else, but he wasn't a great fit for me. So it wasn't anything against him either. I'm sure he's a great doctor. It's just that we have different ways of seeing things.
Yes, yes. Alright, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie, I'm about to dig into this yogurt, and this video is distracting me from that, so I'm about to chow down
on some yogurt.
We'll catch y'all tomorrow.